Mist. Very tiny drops of water in the air, making the air look slightly white or foggy. I saw a lot of mist outside this morning. I can't see anything ahead because of the mist. Gust. To a sudden, strong burst of wind or air. A sudden gust of wind is blowing everything. A gust of wind turned inside out my umbrella. Blizzard. A severe snowstorm with strong winds and very low visibility. I can't walk because of the blizzard. The blizzard caused all roads to be closed for 2 days. Deluge. A very heavy fall of rain, often causing flooding. Our house is damaged by last night's deluge. The sudden deluge of rain turned the dry creek into a rushing river within minutes. Downpour. Very heavy rain that falls suddenly and strongly. I am waiting to stop downpour. I got soaked in a sudden downpour and cancelled the program. Drizzle. Light rain with very small drops. It is drizzling outside. It started to drizzle while we were playing football. Drench. To make someone or something completely wet, usually by soaking with water or liquid. She was completely drenched by the heavy rain. I am getting drenched by icy water. Soak. To get completely wet. Soak the meat in fresh water before cooking. We were completely soaked by the heavy rain. Scorching. Extremely hot, often used for weather, heat, or temperature. It was a scorching hot final match day. Don't stand outside in this scorching weather. Sweltering. Extremely hot and uncomfortable, usually because of heat and humidity. I can't stay in this sweltering room. I won't go out today in this sweltering weather. Thaw. To melt something frozen, usually ice or snow. The big ice thawed within a few hours. The frozen meat is thawing soon in this heat. Arid. Very dry, with little or no rain, used for land or climate. The crops will not grow in this arid land. All the land has become arid due to lack of rain. Parched. Extremely dry, usually for land, soil, or environment. Very thirsty, for a person. The lack of rain has parched our land. Could I have some water? I'm parched. Hail. Small, hard balls of ice that fall from the sky during a storm. Rain and hail bounced on my car. We saw hail falling from the sky during the storm. Sleet. Partially frozen rain that falls as ice pellets. The rain turned to sleet when we stood outside. Don't go, it's sleeting with rain. Frigid. Extremely cold, weather, air, or water. She didn't go out today because of frigid weather. I stayed inside of home to avoid the frigid weather. Frosty. Very cold or chilly, often with frost on the ground or in the air. It was a frosty bite in the morning air. Where is my coat? It is frosty outside. Gloomy. Dark, cloudy, and depressing, often used to describe bad or overcast weather. It was a gloomy day while we were playing football in the field. The weather is gloomy today, so I feel like staying indoors.